What a beautiful day for a great adventure on your very own island of Sodor. Come and play exciting mini-games with me and my friends in an awesome train set that magically comes to life. Collect cool toys to build and customize your very own train set. Ready to roll out? We are! Beautiful day on your very own island of Sodor train set. My friends and I are very excited that you're here to play with us. Let's ride the rails, explore the island, and see what we can discover. I, Thomas, promised to help Gordon with a very important job. Help me get to DANAPUR station to find out what it is. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching... That's the way! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. What type of wagon should we pull? That's the way! Wow! Just drag a wagon to one of the blue spots. Mix them up however you like. Only the boldest of engines will try cannonball curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the track. That's the way! Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Great! Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Again! Again! Time to pick a new toy.